How to set up promoter in Proffis. Select merchant. Select the company that you want to manage. Go to the business landing page. Select the promoter icon. Select the hierarchy button. There are two ways to add promoters. 1. By scanning their ProppyID QR code. 2. Or add using your contact list. Select the preferred promoter from your contact list. For example, select Promoter A as your promoter. Next, create a personalized promo code for Promoter A by selecting the plus button. Next, set up the personalized promo code and description for Promoter A here. For example, promo code ECN-T29-41, description, SuperTeam98. Select Next to save the setting. Promoter A has now been added to the hierarchy list. You may add a promoter for Promoter A. Select the plus icon below Promoter A's profile picture to add a promoter. Select the preferred promoter from your contact list. For example, select Promoter B as a promoter for Promoter A. Promoter B has now been added to the hierarchy list. Select the Commission button to set up a personalized promo code for Promoter B. For example, promo code ECN-T29-42, description, SuperTeam98. Select the star icon to view the promoter's transaction history. This page will display the commission history earned by Promoter B.